Hi everyone. We have seen an ample of examples stating how the big data and data science has been used in our day-to-day life. So this project is one such example of how the human activity recognition can be predicted using the pattern discovery approach. Coming to the problem description, the exercise can in general people do exercise and they do track the level of activity they do using the fitness devices such as Fitbit and Nike Fuel Band, but rarely they do measure how well they do it. So in this project we are going to predict how well they do it. So we are going to predict the exercise pattern of 6 healthy people. So we were asked to perform they were asked to perform the barbell lifts correctly and incorrectly in 5 different ways, and they have classified that 5 different ways into class A, class B, class C, class D and class E. The description of each class has been given here, and the data for this project has been taken from this source. So in general we are having the two sets, which is the training set and the testing set. So we are going to perform our prediction on the training set and we are going to apply the model on this testing set. So all the details which I'll be explaining later. So expected output will be the prediction model that predicts the exercise pattern of those people. So I have used the RStudio for this purpose. So coming to the general approach, what we are going to do is we are going to take the training set and we are going to divide the training set into training and testing set, and we are going to build a model on that using the random forest algorithm, and then we are going to predict the exercise pattern by building the prediction model, and we are going to apply that prediction model on the given testing set. So the training and the testing set looks like this. So this is the training set. I have all the data here, and the class is given here. So I'm going to take this class variable into consideration for doing this analysis, and this is the testing set. So after building the prediction model, we are going to test this testing set. We are going to apply the prediction model and to this testing set, and we are going to predict the accuracy of our model. So the steps involved are the data cleaning, data transformation, generating the frequency plot, and data partition and model prediction. So coming to the RStudio, the technical part, I have loaded the necessary libraries and loaded the data to the RStudio, and I have calculated the dimension of the objects of training and testing data set. And the next step, as the cleaning data, I have removed the non-applicable variables from the training and the testing data set and generated the plot using the clean data, and the plot can be available. The plot looks like this. So after that, I have predicted the model using the random forest algorithm. So I have got the so I'm going to run this project. So I'm just loading, all the libraries are getting loaded. So as I have already downloaded the dataset, the datasets exist. So this is the dimension of the training set and dimension of the testing set, and this is the total number of non-applicable variables in the training data and testing data. So since I'm cleaning the data, it has become 0, and I'm generating the class frequency of the clean data set. So I have got this frequencies, and the frequency plot can be seen here. And once I have cleaned the data, and what I am going to do is I am going to partition the data, the cleaned training data set into 60%. See, I have the probability I have given as 0.6, means that I am going to take my training and testing data set as 60% as training set and 40% as testing data, and going to predict the model, build the model based on that. So the model I'm going to make is here, that using the trained data. After the predicting the model, I'll be running the confusion matrix in order to test the accuracy and generate the other statistics, which can be available in few minutes. So meanwhile, since I have already run the result, I'm going to share how the output will look like. The training set will look like this: the confusion matrix and the statistics. And the prediction set of the class A, B, C, D, E is given below. And the overall statistic accuracy is 1. So in general, the accuracy varies between 0 to 1. 1 means the 100% accuracy or near to 100% accuracy, and the other details can be seen here. This is the results of the training set and using the random forest algorithm, and this is the output of testing set. So here again, it is close to 100%, which is the 99%. So combining the values, I got the output as 99.68 as the accuracy. And as I have told earlier, I'm going to apply the testing set. I'm going to apply the model to this testing set. So I have applied that model. See the model. I am predict the model and applying the test data. So and I have received these classes. So based on the testing set and the generated model, the accuracy is 99.68. So I think the data is still running. So this is what the results. So this sums up my project of how the exercise pattern of the people can be predicted using the pattern discovery approach. So here is the result from the RStudio. So this is the confusion matrix for the training set, and the overall statistics, the accuracy is to be 1, and the statistics of class A from class A to class E, and the balanced accuracy is 1. And this is the confusion matrix for the testing data. The overall statistics, the accuracy to be 99.66. So the balanced accuracy is sum of all this. The average of this is 99.68. So this is the application of data science. That is the pattern discovery from social perspective. But it can be used in organization wide to predict the revenue of the quarter, or in a commercial perspective to predict whether the customer will click the link or not. So there are many such uses. So please stay tuned to watch out more applications. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.